Off we go. The Harley Davidsons hold a big respect in the riding community. Harley entered the Indian market, which is in fact the world's biggest two-wheeler market, in the year 2011. They started an assembly plant in Haryana, which had the capacity of producing 11,000 units per year. But things did not work out as planned by Harley in India. Harley Davidson stopped its operations in September 2020. The news that Harley had stopped its operations in India came as a shock to the dealers and the customers. But within a month, Harley Davidson came in a distribution and licensing agreement. So Hero MotoCorp is the biggest shareholder in the Indian two-wheeler market. According to their agreements, Harley will sell their products through the extensive Hero dealerships all around India. There are around 6,000 Hero MotoCorp dealers in India. Hero MotoCorp has its number from most of the daily commuter motorcycles or the low displacement motorcycles around 100 to 150 cc, whereas Harley Davidson has its strong foothold in the higher displacement engines. Hero MotoCorp, in collaboration with Harley, plans to roll out some premium products in the Indian markets. According to the agreement, those products will be sold under the Harley and the Davidsons. When this collaboration is done now, Hero MotoCorp has already created a new branch for the Harleys, which is around 11 around India presently. The Indian market is a huge two-wheeler market. Generally, customers look for some things before buying a motorcycle. Number one, the pride of owning the product, its performance, the service and the dealer network, and the value for money. This collaboration seems very promising, but there are some things which need to be looked by Harley. First of all, they have to check on their imports, because one of the biggest cause of failure of Harley was its price. Because apart from the Street 750 and the 500, which are produced in India at the Haryana assembly line in collaboration with Harley Davidson USA, the rest of the products were imported from America, either as completely built units, semi-knockdown units, or completely knockdown units, for which they had to pay a heavy import duty. The completely built units had to give an import duty of 100% for the products. But it was later on levied to 50%. That completely knockdown units, duty was 30%, which was brought down to 22%, whereas the semi-knockdown unit taxes, which was around 20%, was raised 10 to 15%. So overall, the Harley products had to be imported in India, paying a huge import duty, and to turn the company into profits number, these import duty taxes had to be taken out from the pockets of the customers, due to which the cost of the Harley Davidson products are high. So now this collaboration of Harley and the Hero, we expect Harley take some strong initiative to create products in India itself, as the government has taken the initiative of Make in India. So with the hope that this collaboration brings out some high performing, value for money, reliable products in the Indian market.